Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the device and OS so you know where HDR controls live. Once done, open Settings or System Preferences and go directly to Display or Screen Settings. Make sure you have admin access if required. If your device has a dedicated graphics or video section, open that next. You're aiming to reach the display controls quickly, because changing HDR often needs the main display pane. Now pause at the list of available displays and active features. You now select the specific display or external monitor you want to change. Different ports can have different profiles. Next, locate HDR, Dolby Vision, Auto HDR, or enhanced color toggles and switch them off. This often reverts color profile and dynamic range. Once toggled, apply or confirm the change and observe the immediate preview. You may need to close and reopen video or image apps. Make sure to inspect brightness and contrast, because disabling HDR can alter You finish by restarting the device or reconnecting the external monitor to ensure the setting persists across sessions. Then, reset or choose a standard color profile if colors or gamma seem wrong. This restores consistent output. If you still see HDR-like punch or washed colors, update display drivers, install monitor firmware, and replace HDMI/DisplayPort cables with certified high-speed versions. If nothing helps, switch to a different port or consult support. That single troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.